wish you could smell this coffee. It fills the kitchen with absolutely lovely smell. So every day I build these little mounds of pebbles, and every day the magpies come and delight in knocking them over. They just use their beaks to just knock every pebble off. They love it. I'm in my studio again, so what I thought was I would show you. Well, first of all, I'll show you my cunning heating trick to heat my, see if you can see it. Is it in here? Should be. There. Or not. Well, that's what it is anyway, I'll show you. It's a terracotta pot that gets very warm. And I've got a saucer with a candle in it, and I turn the terracotta pot up there, and there you are. You've got a room heater, a small room heater. So if you, there's a metal one. You see that? Yeah, there you go. And I put that over the top, which is a cutlery holder or something like that. But anyway, it's steel and it gets red hot, really red hot. You burn yourself if you touched it. They are my eco-friendly heaters for my studio. I've got about 4 of them all over the place, with just tea lights. So yeah. So it gets the room lovely and warm. Right, got something else to show you. This is what I do. Some of my crafts. Now these are, I'll show you a cute little boaty one. You see? Those are my 6x6 gift cards, and they come plain with an envelope. So I buy a lot of these and do a lot. I sell them as well. So we have a local gift shop, you know, because we're on the coast, we've got lots and lots of gift shops. Let me see what's happening here. Okay. Nothing. Right. So yeah, I'll just show you a selection. I also do lovely gift tags. Make gift tags and that kind of thing. So here are some. So those are just made of card. I'll show you a selection of the cards. These are cute cards. Gold. There's cow. I just cut out. Whoops, what we got here? A little pussycat. Oh, there's pussycat. What do you want, darling? Hang on a minute. What a good boy. He's a bit scaly-waly. Been there a while, but hey. Good boy. Right. So, anything that you could possibly think of, you can put on a card and make them look absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous. There's a little elephant. These I use plants to make a stencil. I just use ferns and that kind of thing. Some more boats. Abstract designs. The world is your oyster. Now, you never ever need to be short of a gift for somebody. You can make them suitable for women. You can make them suitable for guys. It's a pretty one. And then, oh, look at that. Oh, that's nice. That's a gift tag. Anyway, you've got the idea. There's lots and lots and lots of different cards. And this is what I like to do with them. This is what I like to do with them. I like to put about 6 of these together with their envelopes, all different ones, and give them as a gift, tie them with a ribbon. Also, I paint the backs and the insides, and I do it and I put like silver, white and glitter, a little bit of glitter on it. You can give that as a nice gift with a bottle of wine or something like that, or a box of chocolates. Or it's cost you practically nothing. Where's he going? It's cost you practically nothing, and it's unique and it's countrified and it's slow living and it's lovely. I think anyway. If I got that, I would be delighted. And a bottle of perfume or whatever you want, but I'll keep it homemade. Make some biscuits, cookies, make some cakes, wrap them in beautiful wrappings, and give. There you are. There's your gift. Now, what could be nicer? Or you could make homemade. You could make wine. You could make homemade wine. Depends how adventurous you are. Now, do you want to go out, darling? Off you pop. There's a good boy. So there you are. So I thought I'd show you that today. Here's a better view of my eco heaters.